Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways I make my detox recipe, so you guys should stay tuned as I get started. So these are some of the fruits and vegetables I'll be needing for the detox recipe. So a cucumber, I'm going to be using this ginger, lemon, a green apple, my celery, so I'm going to be using this, my coconut water, so I'm going to take out the coconut water from this, and of course I'll be adding the mint leaf, and my apple cider. Here you can get the bottled or sealed coconut water from the grocery stores, supermarkets, and the rest of them, but today I'm going in with this one because I have it at home. During my weight loss journey, cucumber is one of the fruits I don't joke with because it helps to keep me hydrated, it helps with my weight loss, and also it helps to keep me full. I don't get hungry easily. So if you are planning to lose weight, cucumber should be your best friend. So all these fruits and vegetables I'm using today has so many amazing benefits. The celery is rich in vitamins, vitamin A, K, and C, and also in minerals like potassium and folate. And then our apple is low in fat. It's also rich in vitamin A and C, and it also has a high fiber content which helps in detoxification process. As they said, 1 apple a day keeps you away from the doctor. So I'm going to be leaving the amazing benefits of lemon, ginger, cucumber, mint leaf, and apple cider vinegar in the description box, and also the quantity I used for this particular recipe. Lastly, I'm going to be pouring in the coconut water, after which I'm going to be adding some few drops of apple cider vinegar before blending. So this is the second detox recipe. This recipe is so quick and easy. It's something you can do every morning, or you can even soak it overnight. At a time, I was soaking mine overnight, then the following day, I used at my daily water, and when it reduces, I top it up with water. And also with this recipe, you can store it up to days, but to me, I prefer at least just 3 days is okay. You can store it up to 3 days in the refrigerator. So yeah. And yeah, my detox recipe is ready. So this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please leave some comments in the comment section, and if there's any other fruit juice you want me to make, please kindly leave it in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.